Hi everyone and welcome to another video from Bad Car Symptoms. The AC compressor is the most important part of your car's air conditioning system. If you suspect that it's causing problems, this video should help you determine if that is the case. So stay tuned. Bad car symptoms. Warm air is coming out of the ventilation system. The first and sure sign of a bad AC compressor is that instead of cool or cold air, only warm air is coming out of the vents. However you set the controls or tamper with the settings, it will be the same. This is a sign you should at least take a look under the hood and around the AC compressor. A chirping sound from the serpentine belt. If you hear a chirping sound at the same time you notice the warm air problem, you might have a bad AC compressor. It may also be a bad serpentine belt or some other appliance may be faulty, but you should definitely, if possible, take off the belt and inspect the pulley and compressor. A rattling sound from the AC compressor. The definitive symptom regarding sounds is a rattling or even worse grinding sound coming from the AC compressor. In this case, faulty or damaged bearings within the compressor are the reason for this. To be sure, you should take off the serpentine belt and check that some other appliance, like the alternator for instance, isn't causing the problem. Low refrigerant level all the time. If you have to constantly refill refrigerant in the AC system, you might have a damaged compressor. Refilling once a year is okay, twice a year is tolerable, more than this and you definitely have a problem. It can be caused by other issues, but definitely the whole system needs checking. The engine sound doesn't change when you turn on the AC. When turning on the AC compressor on most cars, there is either a distinctive clicking sound when the compressor starts working or, like in this case, the engine bogs down a bit. You may also hear the fan on the radiator working. When all of this is not happening, you should check not only the compressor but perhaps the whole system. If the air conditioning and cooling is weak on your car, but you don't hear any strange noises, try to refill the refrigerant first and see what happens. If you hear the chirping sound only, try checking the serpentine belt first. But if you hear rattling or grinding from the AC compressor, solve this problem as soon as possible so it doesn't tear the serpentine belt and cause even more damage. So that's it for this time. We hope the video helps. Please like and subscribe, it's a huge help for what we're doing. Thanks for watching and thanks for your time.